Welcome viewers to our channel City Parking 313.
Today, we're diving into luxury, power, and sophistication with a full review of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Cullinan SUV, a vehicle that redefines what it means to travel in style. This isn't just an SUV, it's a moving palace on wheels, from the handcrafted interior to the commanding road presence. The 2026 Cullinan takes opulence to a whole new level. Starting with the exterior, Rolls-Royce has stayed true to its signature design language while giving the Cullinan a few modern touches. The signature Pantheon grille is now more sculpted, with a soft backlit glow that enhances its presence at night. The Spirit of Ecstasy remains perched proudly at the front, now electronically retractable for added security and aerodynamics. Sleek laser headlights blend seamlessly into the revised front fascia, and the body lines have been smoothed out for a cleaner, more streamlined appearance. The Cullinan rides on massive 23-inch alloy wheels with self-leveling center caps, reminding you that no detail is too small for Rolls-Royce. Available in dozens of bespoke color options, including two-tone finishes and hand-painted pinstripes, each Cullinan is practically a rolling piece of art. Inside, the 2026 Cullinan's cabin is nothing short of breathtaking. The moment you open the rear hinge coach doors, you're welcomed into a world of handcrafted luxury. Every surface is covered in the finest materials, whether it's buttery soft leather, open pore wood, or real metal accents. The rear seats are where the Cullinan truly shines. You can choose between a lounge bench configuration or individual captain chairs with a center console that features a champagne cooler and crystal glasses, seat heating, ventilation, massage functions, and even a recline mode are all standard. The new Starlight headliner features custom constellation patterns, and ambient lighting can be personalized to match your mood. A massive digital dashboard and infotainment screen sit up front, paired with a crystal clear head-up display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an upgraded 18-speaker bespoke audio system. Make sure you stay entertained in complete silence and comfort. Under the hood, the 2026 Cullinan is powered by a 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 engine, delivering 600 horsepower and 660 foot-pounds of torque. Despite its massive size, the Cullinan accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 5 seconds. Thanks to its silky smooth ZF 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive system, the air suspension has been upgraded for even greater comfort, offering what Rolls-Royce calls the magic carpet ride, an almost floating experience that absorbs every bump and road imperfection. Off-road capabilities haven't been forgotten either. The Cullinan's Everywhere mode adapts to gravel, snow, sand, or mud, making sure that this luxury beast can go virtually anywhere in supreme comfort. Whether you're cruising through the city or taking a detour through the countryside, the Cullinan handles it all effortlessly. Now, that's top price. The base model of the 2026 Cullinan starts at around $395,000 USD, but with Rolls-Royce's bespoke customization options, most buyers easily cross the $500,000 mark. From monogrammed headrest to custom mixed exterior paint, the possibilities are endless, and that's exactly the point. This SUV is not for everyone. It's for those who want to experience automotive luxury at its absolute peak. So, what's the final verdict? The 2026 Rolls-Royce Cullinan SUV is more than just transportation. It's a statement of power, elegance, and exclusivity. If you want the finest SUV experience that money can buy, the Cullinan stands in a class of its own.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel.